Welcome back to Just Cook Damn It. Today was a little cold outside, so I decided to make a bowl of ramen noodles. Sometimes you gotta go in your refrigerator and just pull out crap and put it together, make something. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. I grabbed some green peppers, red peppers, onions, a whole bunch of different seasoning. What I did is made something with some beef shank. Seasoned the beef shank. Put a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Do it all together. Mix it up. Put the top on the bowl. Let it marinate for a little bit. I took it out after marinating and just threw it in my pot. Browned it on both sides. Add a little bit of beef broth. Some bay leaves. And threw that thing in the oven for about 2-3 hours. And then I made some miso soup base. Now here I'm just throwing in some gochujang sauce, miso, bone broth. Add a little bit more water into it. Let that simmer. Added a little ginger and some garlic as well. In my bowl, just put the ramen noodles, some bok choy, the beef shank, leeks. Added my broth into that, some green onions, some soft-boiled eggs, and I enjoyed it. Sometimes you just gotta cook, damn it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. God bless.